Hey everybody, Dude Man here, and I am in upstate New York at a wedding right now. And as we were driving around this beautiful country up here, we're out in the sticks, man, and a lot of farmland and everything. We're driving around and you see the big windmills providing power to a lot of these areas, which is cool. And those windmills, they look pretty big as you're driving by and everything. But as I got to the place where the wedding is being held, there was a whole row of them behind the house, and there's a little cow path over here where I'll show it to you, just a little walking area there where I could come up and take a look at one of these windmills. So I decided to make a quick video of it, and here's what it looks like close up. I want to switch this around. Okay, so here's what the base looks like, and as you're going up, 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 oh my God, that thing is huge. And it was just cooking along pretty good. It's going all right now, but as the blades go around, if you're standing here, you can hear them going whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Pretty wild. And it's kind of an optical illusion right now, because from here it looks like them blades are loose or something, and that will cut you in half if it ever came down. But we're going to walk up to it right now. We got some farm equipment up here from the farmers, but we're going to walk right up to it. Okay, this is the base. This is insane. Okay, so this is, I guess this is the generator. I'm sure it's feeding that generator, because that thing is buzzing like crazy. But okay, here's my hand. Now here's the these are the bolts holding it down to the concrete pad. And man, I'm going to turn this around so you could hopefully see it a little better. Okay, so here I am. I don't know how you're going to be able to compare this to me, if you could even see it. You're never going to be able to see the whole thing. But here I am, and here this thing is. Wow, man. It's really hard to fathom how big it is until you walk right up on it.